A, B, C, D, E, F, G are called natural notes. They are neither sharp nor flat. However, the black keys can be sharp and they can also be flat. Let me explain. To put it in very simple terms, on piano, sharp means to play the key to the right of a key, and flat means to play the key to the left of a key. In other words, sharp means to go right by one key, and flat means to go left by one key. Are you understanding? Sharps. You already know where C is on your keyboard. I want you to now focus on the black key that comes immediately after C. This key is called C sharp. It is called C sharp because it is to the immediate right of C. Let's try another key. You already know where D is on your piano keyboard. So play the back key that is after D. That key is called D sharp. Why is it D sharp? This is because it is to the immediate right of D. In other words, it comes just after D. You can do this to find out the names of the other black keys. As long as you know the white key that comes before a black key, you know its name. Just add the word sharp to it. So the black key after F is F sharp. The black key after G is G sharp. And the black key after A is A sharp. It's that simple. Instead of typing the word sharp every time, musicians use this symbol. So instead of C sharp, you will see this. Instead of D sharp, you will see this. Then F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. So the names of the black keys are C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. But wait a minute. Earlier, I told you that black keys can be either sharp or flat. So how come I only told you about sharps? I wanted to do this one step at a time. So I talked about the sharps first. But these black keys can also be called flats. Yes, each black key has two note names. Flats. Let's talk about flats. In music, flat, as we have seen, simply means to play the key that is to the left of a key on your piano. So if you see D flat, all this is telling you is that instead of playing the white key D, you should play the black key that is just before it. If you come across the note name E flat, it means to play the key that is just before the white key E. G flat is the black key that is to the immediate left of G. A flat is the black key that is to the immediate left of A. B flat comes just before the white key B. So the black keys of your piano can also be called D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and B flat. Instead of typing the word flat every time, a small letter B is used. So instead of typing or writing D flat, you type this. Instead of E flat, you write this, followed by G flat, A flat, and B flat.
आज मैं आपको शार्प नोट के बारे में भी बताने वाला हूँ. In a one octave, 12 notes, 5 black keys and 7 white keys. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E का कोई शार्प नहीं होता. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B का भी कोई शार्प नहीं होता. फिर से C आ जाता है. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, फिर से C आ जाता है. समझ में आ गया होगा आपको.